Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Traverse 2LZ High Country Edition. Apple Chevy customers have till the end of July to earn over $3,400 in savings on this specific vehicle. It is an all-wheel drive Traverse that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. As you can see here, it does have back tinted windows and 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, there is a 10-speaker Bose audio system. We do have leather seating throughout the entire vehicle with a dual moonroof. When it comes to the front, we do have our knob to switch to all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and whatever you may please. We do have a spot to charge our phones. There's heated seats, cooling seats, a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.